They come on.
Jane and Finch, Western, Rexdale, Malton, Scarborough, Brampton, Jungle, Eglinton, Calf. Gee, that I'm a blood clot place. Matic in a hand, me no have none to waste. We no see we give a space. Beer dogs are rolling out the blood clot place. Gee, that I'm a blood clot place. Matic in a hand, me no have none to waste. We no see we give a space. Beer dogs are rolling out the blood.
Good day, my wonderful friends. It's me again, the great. One more great countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and click on another video. Now, Rass Kevin, who slap a Rass Kevin. This is the part 2, cause we have some update. So I want to sit back with me and go through this and make we try to figure this out, yo. Who killed Rass Kevin? Let's go. Look at the screen in front of you. Now, we do a thing pan the Rass. Everybody know him as Rass Kevin. And we do something who slap Rass Kevin from Nigril. And look on that. A youth with name Errol Miller Jr. and him have him name and him picture up there. Him say a Heinz Yard Incorporated gun angel them do it. So, I want to know who a Heinz gang. Pretty much that man say Heinz Yard gang. So, yo, if anybody have any info on this, make we know what go on. Yo, Errol, link me up and make we try solve that case here. You understand? So, at the first me ever hear about them, I do some research to try to find out who these guys are or who this incorporated gun. I don't know if it's a prank, but this is what come out of this. With that said, we are going to move on. Now, look at the screen in front of you. In the first video, I make a mistake. You see the bigs on the left? A film picture me use, and that was the wrong person. You understand? So the bigs on the left, me I give him a new name. Me I call him the fake bigs. You see what me I say, and I apologize, my lord. So you don't have to worry. Now, the bigs on the right, are him, a Rass Kevin, right hand man. I want to talk a little bit more about that. Now, real bigs, I want to talk to you. Because let me tell you something. You is a suspect in the Rass death. And let me tell you why. You see you on the Rass par every day. You are in bench and body. And you see when the Rass dead, you're cut. The police should have started investigate from you. You understand? Now listen. Bigs, me nah say you do the thing, you know. Or me nah say you involved. All me I do, me I go by how modern day police in America, Canada, England, whatever, do the thing. You understand? So you see you is definitely a person of interest. And me I go use the term unusual suspect. You see what I'm saying? So, Biggs, if you see this, or anybody know Biggs, tell him to link Countryman. Cause I want to talk to you about this thing. About the Rass dead dog. You understand? You hear me, Biggs? Anybody know him? Or if Biggs see this, Biggs, give me a call. Cause yo, you is an unusual suspect in this. And you want to clear your name. With that said, me I go move on. Look at the screen in front of you. Now, that Ashanti. And guess who that? Rihanna's sister. No, a joke me I make. That a Ross Kevin woman that I'm baby mother. Where him did live with. Cause the Ross live in a blood clean big house in a Nigril Heights. You see what me I say? So this Ashanti, the Ross, baby mother. Now, Shorty, use an unusual suspect too. Because you are a baby mother and you're close to him. Me I show her a video, a Shorty, at the party where the Ross did get in a fight the night there. And them did I say them set a man they kill him from the party, come back, come kill him like months later or a year later, which me I say no. So me I show no Shorty. Look on the video here, a Shorty, the Ross baby man.
Ross Kevin's woman. The energy will switch quick. Don't be distracted.
Look at Ross Kevin woman. When you see how she look, how good she look, as she has stick out her tongue. Well, Shorty, use an unusual suspect in this thing here, and give countryman a call. Cause me hear say after the Ross dead, things kinda get bad for you. Me don't know if I true or a lie, but me know say you and him used to live in a big house. But you see how the investigation said, we have to eliminate the people that were around him first in other situation, yeah, and adapt we do. Let's go. For those of you for the first time watching this video, let me give you know the synopsis of what this video and the first video was about. Now, you have the guy on the left, which is Karma G5. I abbreviated call him KG5. So Karma G5 is a movie producer, film director, and also an actor. He did the movie Yankee You Ain't No Killer with Louis Rankin and the youth in who died in Trinidad, and amongst a whole lot of other people. Now, this dread right here on the right, that's Ross Kevin, and he was an investor in the project, or in the whatever these guys are doing, the business. And I'm gonna show you guys another clip a little bit later down, and that's the Ross house. The Ross live at Nigril Heights. Long story short, the Ross end up get murdered in a Nigril. Somebody come up and shoot him in his head and kill him while him in his car. So that's why the video say we want to know who slap where, you know, Ross Kevin. So we get some more information. So this is the part 2. I hope that kind of put you know up to speed with where we at with this. With that said, Shorty, me have to mention you again, and me have to mention Big. Look on that video there in front of now. That are out of the movie Yankee Ain't No Killer, and see Biggs there on the left side, he my hacker and thing. So Biggs was very close to Ross Kevin, and like me I said, Biggs, you need to step up.
This is to the man them who are always talked about but rarely seen. R.I.P. Ross Kevin. This is the night that started the beginning of his ending. In the streets, in order to survive, you always be at attention, like an animal in the jungle, using all 5 senses, and in the most dangerous situations, a 6th one. Ross Kevin's woman. The energy will switch quick. Don't be distracted. That's all.
Now, the reason why I'm going to play that clip here, I want to know, say, at that night here, at that party here, the Ross and some man kick off. And me hear say Biggs bust up the man they made with buckle. Louis Rankin crash all in a car, just one piece of chaotic. So it was a real party them there, and the film producer was also filming real movie footage for his movie in the movie. So it was a unique experience, I guess. But this is the party where the war broke out with Rass and some man them. Now, I'm gonna wrap up that video here. But before I wrap it up, I wanna know who is the Heinz crew from Outer Heinz Yard. See the picture there, see the comment where the young man leave on the channel. So, me wanna know who is responsible for this. So if anybody have any information, contact Countryman. You alright? Listen, my name is Countryman. Please remember to like, share and subscribe. And click on another video. Shotty Mark, Junglist, me a come phone now. Trinidad, St. Vincent, me a come phone too. You understand? Cause I want to figure out this beehive thing. Belize, we not go on bad too. State of emergency, me a come check on out too. I'm out.